Hi everyone, welcome to Helpful Solutions. In today's video, we'll talk about HP Chromebook not turning on, an easy fix that works instantly. Number 1. Perform a hard reset. Press and hold the refresh key, circular arrow, and tap the power button simultaneously. Keep both buttons pressed for about 10 seconds, then release. Wait a few seconds and press the power button to turn on the Chromebook. Number 2. Check the power source. Ensure the charging cable is securely connected to both the Chromebook and a working outlet. Look for LED indicators near the charging port to confirm charging status. If there is no light, try a different charger or outlet. Number 3. Disconnect external devices. Remove all USB devices and peripherals. Attempt to power on the Chromebook without any external connections. Number 4. Enter recovery mode. If the above steps don't work, turn off the Chromebook, press and hold the escape key and the refresh key, then press the power button. Release all keys when the Chrome OS is missing or damaged screen appears. Follow the on-screen instructions to recover your Chromebook. Thanks for watching.